Hello friends! Today we're going to talk about saggy skin. Yuck! But first you say, wait a minute, where's Barbara's usual big necklace? Well, I'm not wearing one because I want you to look at my neck. I'm a senior citizen and I've been using Lift in a Jar with DMAE for almost 2 years. It's great to prevent sagging skin. But there's even more benefits, and I have an update. If you've watched my other video, you already know that DMAE helps saggy skin on the neck. But here's other benefits for the face. DMAE works to increase muscle activity, thereby toning and strengthening the muscles behind the face. And DMAE enhances water retention and connective tissue, so that makes the surface of your facial skin tighten and tone. In one dramatic study, after 16 weeks, DMAE reduced the appearance of lines and wrinkles up to 68%. It also improves lip shape and fullness. Now, people write to me and say, Barbara, you have pretty lips. Well, every morning without fail, I put DMAE on my lips. Otherwise, at my age, my lips would be quite thin. And did you know, before going on air, many of the news anchor men and women that you see in their little anchor chairs looking oh so great, they apply DMAE to their face and neck to get a tightening. It's a little trade secret, but now you know. Now here's the history of DMAE. It's been used since 1958, so the safety has been well established. Then a doctor in Dallas who did surgery on children with cleft palates discovered that DMAE applied twice a day to the scarred areas diminished scar formation dramatically. Even with cleft palates and the post-surgical, look of that, their lips appeared almost normal. Now that's incredible. Think what it can do for you. And there's more. Recent studies show that putting DMAE on topically can lighten or remove age spots. Yep, continued use lightens the age spots that are commonly seen on the face, backs of hands, and arms. These brown spots are due to accumulated lipofuscin deposits in the body. Lipofuscin is a chemical waste product of the cells, and it usually appears in older people as liver spots or age spots. DMAE flushes the lipofuscin out from your body. And there's more help. Thighs and buttocks. DMAE can address dimpling in those areas, and it may produce visible improvement in about 20 minutes. Okay, I hope you can get a jar. This product compares to a Perricone product costing $98. You won't be disappointed in the price or your results. I've been using it on my neck for 2 years, as I said, and I'm very happy with the results. Saggy skin, you're not welcome here.